What's up, everybody? We back. Got all our vinyl cut and put on the mat. Now it's time to run it through the Cricut and cut our circle logos. These prints are gonna go on extra large hoodies to 5X. So this is gonna be my large print. Make sure we got our image mirrored when we dealing with vinyl. You gotta mirror everything, so let's get that situated. Come over here. All right, we already got that. Send our print to the vinyl cutter and start cutting. Can't wait to see what these come out looking like. I know what this color gonna be because it's on my hoodie, but I haven't seen it on my circle logo, the Circle of Life print. So we're gonna get these cut and hopefully take it to the press next. I got a couple of hoodies on my rack. Probably some whites and some blacks that's in the size range that we want. If not, we just gonna have to print on something else and see how it come out. I want to do a giveaway or something, like I said before, and I gotta finish growing my email list. So shoot, if you guys want to win a free hoodie, a free T-shirt, summertime coming, or some shorts or something, let me know. And I guess we could do a drawing. Everybody can send in their email info, or probably mail it to me. Email it to me to my email. I'll give you guys my email. That'd probably be better. And we pick some names and do a drawing and give away some hoodies. At least 1 to 2 hoodies a month. And keep it moving from there. I got that's 1, 2, 3, 4 more to cut. I'm gonna get this done and I'll holla back at y'all. Man, you know what, guys? I made a big mistake. I forgot with the print vinyl, right? We gotta put it on this side of the mat so we can cut the actual pattern. I put it on this side of the mat, which is the back side, which is how you normally do vinyl, but the regular vinyl. And you cut your pattern from this side, so when you weed it, pull everything off, and your pattern on this side. I don't know if you can see it, but all my cut marks is in the back on the hard plastic. So I do not think this is gonna come out properly. And the crazy part is this is the one I really wanted, and I'm hoping it's not messed up. So let me try one of these other ones. Let me get this tape off of here. It's a sticky mat, it's my good mat. Let me get this tape off of here so we can. Did this one cut? No. I'm gonna have to try one of these. Yeah, that is definitely the wrong side. All right. Small error. We're gonna have to get these mats reloaded so we can get them on the right side and get our prints cut. That is my fault. I should have remembered, especially when it was time to mirror the print. That should have told me something then. Because if I'm not mistaken, I don't think you need to mirror it. Right, you don't need to mirror it when you're doing pattern because you gotta cut on the opposite side. We're gonna turn this one around and get it back on there. and get back started. That is my bad. Yo, I make mistakes sometimes. Hopefully when I get the weed now one, seeing how it's gonna be double cut, it don't just completely shred. But we is about to find out today. Live in person. Look at that color. First, let's turn off this mirror function because we're not gonna need that. Throw this tape back on here, get this one ready. We are on our way. And I think with the new feature on the Cricut with the upgrade to the program, the system automatically mirrors your image for you, so you don't make no mistakes. Let's see. Okay, I guess it didn't do it since we turned it off. Let's run that back through there. Right, we're good to go. I'm gonna reload these back on the mats, and I'll get back at y'all. Sad to say, guys, we got another error messing with this pattern print, right? I did notice when I did my first one that we fixed, which was the bandana print, that everything came out correct. Is it this one? No, that one is flipped to, it's this one. This is the first one we did. And everything came out correct because we didn't have to mirror it. Right, I can see everything came out correct. But when I unloaded the mat and then went to load these two, the system, if you can see in the corner right here, the Cricut automatically went back into mirror mode, and I didn't catch that. So these two is actually bad. So now that I know in between each one, in between each load for a new mat, gotta hit that mirror button so we don't mess up our pattern. Let's do that now. Right, mirror off. And we're gonna load this mat again. There we go. Right, mirror still off. So now we got this print and this one, the only two good ones, right? So we're not gonna totally scrap these because the way the design is, we got I got my big face here and my two small faces on the side. So I'm gonna salvage this for my face prints and use them on something else later. I got another design where I used the big face from the middle of my Circle of Life logo. My big rhino face. A lot of people don't know that those are 3 rhino faces that's in my Circle of Life logo. which represents what the brand stands for, which is strength, power, and resilience. So we gonna salvage, and keep the faces. Everything else, the words is backwards, so we gotta scrap those. We got more of these 2 vinyls, so we can reprint these. But the bandana is the one that I wanted, the one my customer wanted. So now I'm gonna have to go online and see if I can find that for him and get that hoodie done. And we gonna move forward as usual. I don't do too much of the pattern. This is still kind of new for me, so I'm not used to constantly having to mirror it. Normally, once I load my mats and get everything ready, I could just run them through the Cricut and get everything cut out and move on to the next step, which is weeding. But as you can see, that did not go well for us today. Let's see what we can get. My scissors. Hard to see my rhino faces with this print. And this stuff is coming loose already. There you go. Where's the other one? There you go. And the big face. I'm gonna weed one of these and let you guys see how the big face came out in this print. Man, I'm so mad this came out bad. But you live and you learn. Let's see how well it was gonna weed out. Hopefully everything don't fall apart. It's double cut. Should have cut that one from the back. It's easier to see. Almost done. This little piece off so I can see. That one is 80% done. get this thing on this side. Ain't got no light over here, it's hard to see. There we go. Almost done. Eyeballs on this thing. Man, it's good to have you a good weeder with a nice point, because it'd be hard to pull these little pieces out. They like to get stuck to each other and everything tear apart. Whole project down the drain. Man, and it weeded good too. Y'all ready? Oh, look at that. Tribal rhino face and bandana print. I like that. That's hard. All right. Let's check this one. Look at that. Everything correct. So now we know, using the vinyl print pattern, since we don't have to mirror it, we have to keep double checking the mirror function on the Cricut program to make sure in between every load that everything is correct, or it's gonna flip and your project is down the drain, and you have to do what I did and figure out something to salvage. But we're gonna get these done. Find that print. This is the only one I can save off of there. I didn't cut this one. Find this bandana print on Brilliant Vinyl, because that's where I buy my vinyl from, Brilliant Vinyl. They got great products, and we're gonna move on to the next. See you guys when it's time to hit the press.